Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a focused environment. Create and activate a virtual env so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install minimal packages like the OpenAI client, Flask for a simple web front end, and Python dotenv to load secrets. Make sure you add your API key to a env file named OpenAI API KEY rather than pasting it into code. This prevents leaks and makes deployment simpler. Now that dependencies and secrets are handled, you're ready to scaffold the core Python files and basic request flow. Next, implement the core. In main, PyLoad environment variables, initialize the API client, and add a /chat post endpoint that accepts user messages. Once done, manage conversation state by storing a messages list per session and trim older entries to fit the token budget. This preserves context without exceeding limits. Make sure to construct a prompt template combining a clear system instruction with the recent user and assistant messages so the model knows role and context. Test locally with curl or postman to verify. Finish by adding validation, basic rate limiting, and a small UI or CLI so you can interact with the bot. When deploying, run behind a production server like Unicorn or Uvicorn with Nginx, or push as a serverless function. Always inject API keys via secure environment variables. If things go wrong, log token usage and sample inputs/outputs. This quickly reveals prompt truncation or context loss. Finally, iterate on system instructions and history trimming until replies are concise and relevant. Then monitor and refine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.